Hey everybody, what's going on? Eric here, and we have a little bit of an unbagging. So I'm going to get my cutting device here and go ahead and open this up. Alright, so what do we got here? Now, these are some collector's cards, which are not hockey, baseball, football, basketball, or any other sport to be in general. These are guitar. Now, what is this? What the hell is this? Pokemon? No way. I'm not into Pokemon shit. What the fuck? Seller must have threw me some bonus cards here. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's a plus. Yeah. That's kind of a nice little card. Yeah. Jessica Landon. Alright. What the fuck is this? Yeah, see, I'm not into any of these cards here. What is this? This is a sticker. Yeah, I'm not, don't care for that either. What is this? Star Wars. Oh, so that's what this was, a Star Wars sticker. Couldn't make it out to be what it was. These, on the other hand, is what I'm looking for. Not these. So I did some research online, and I found some, like, trading cards, basically, that were kind of interesting. And I'm like, yeah, you know what? I'm going to go grab these things before somebody else did. They were like $20 for this set that I got right here. And there's supposed to be, I think there's like 50 cards total in this whole stack, or at least they're supposed to be. And yeah, so what these are Gibson trading cards. So what you have here, there is the first card here, which is Series 1, 1 of 50. Basically gives you a rundown of the 1952 Les Paul Gold Top here. And yeah, kind of nice, isn't it? So we'll go ahead and put that face down. Then we have here is a 1959 Les Paul Flame Top. Gives you a nice little rundown. This is 2 of 50. 1957 Les Paul Custom. Kind of nice. Very nice to be exact. And again, the rundown. That's 3 of 50. Les Paul Jr., 1957. Yeah, isn't she a beauty? Then we have a 1961 SG Les Paul Custom, 3 pickups. And you got a little bit of a rundown of what the guitar is. Then we have a Firebird, and oh yeah, a little bit of the history of the guitar. 1957, I love that year, especially for Chevys. Was it a Futera? Hopefully I said it right. Almost looks like a Dean headstock, kind of, maybe. And it gives you a little bit of a rundown. 1958 Explorer. Oh yeah, natural finish, beautiful. Then we have an ES5. That thing is beautiful. And a little bit of a history. Then we have an ES 295 with P90s. Yeah, it's a beauty. And a little bit of a rundown on that. ES 350, or 335, sorry. This is probably a semi-hollow. See, I don't like the neck when it just has dots on them. It just looks too plain. And then we have an ES 345. This is probably a hollow body. Beautiful guitar. Let's see. In a faded cherry, gold hardware. 1957 classic humbuckers. Yeah, those are nice. And here we have an ES 350T. Beautiful flaming. Nice burst job on it. And then we have a Brighterland. It's probably a full hollow. Beautiful. Then we have an L5 Studio. Then we have a Super 400 CES. Actually, I kind of like it. Looks kind of nice. A little bit of history on the back. I don't know. CITATION. Can't pronounce it. Sorry. Yeah. Nice flame maple pickguard on there. Nice cloud inlay work. Then we have a Les Paul Ultimate. Now that's got some real nice inlay work on the neck. Shit, I wonder how much that would go for. Then we have the ES 346. I have a different style headstock on there. Although it looks very nice. Alright, then we have a Series 1 still, 24 of 50. We have a SG Special. Then we have an SG Deluxe Bigsby. Then we have an SG Standard. Then we have an SG61. A lot of SGs. Then we have a Blues Hawk P90s. Very nice. Les Paul DC Standard. Beautiful flaming on there. Then we have a Les Paul Standard. Les Paul Smartwood, they call it. Never heard of that one before. We have the Explorer. Again, dot inlays. Kind of boring, but oh well. Thunderbird. Chet Atkins CE. Chet Atkins Country Gentleman. Bigsby. Side front markers. ES 135. P90s on it. Yeah, the ES 335 dot. See a lot of Epiphones like that. And we have the ES 175. Then we have the CL50 Supreme. That's actually very nice. Nice binding around the edges. Pearloid binding. Nice. Then we have the 1960 Dove. And it's got the Dove inlay work on the pickguard and wings on the bridge. EC30. Still nice. The J45. Looks pretty basic. Montana Gold J200. Wow. That's a nice fucking pick guard. Huh. Bridge too. Then we have a 1936 Avacance Jumbo. Interesting fret markers. A banjo. Really doesn't say anything on here. Oh, it's an E. It's an RB3 standard. Then you have a Earl Scruggs standard. I believe that's what his last name is. Then you have a F5L mandolin. So that's it. And that's 50 of 50. So I don't know if there's any more of these cards out there as far as like different series goes. This is only series 1. And I kind of had a hell of a time trying to find this. I found one card, which is this card here. The one series 1 of 50. And I've got that put away. I'm going to end up putting it with this group. But I ended up finding it online. It was like $1 for the bid, so I grabbed it, and nobody else bidded on it. So I was like, okay, I got it for $1, free shipping. So I was like, oh, this is pretty cool. I'm going to see if I can hunt down some more of these. So I did a lot of looking around on the internet, and all I came up was this set here that was on eBay as well. And yeah, $20. Couldn't pass it up. Can't remember what the shipping was. I don't know if it was free shipping or not. Couldn't pass it up. Card said that it was in brand new condition, and obviously they are. So yeah, nice little card case for them. So that's that. Anybody want to date with her? No? You sure? All right. All right, guys. Let's get back to the real stuff.